We're living in a time of real challenge, facing rapid nature and climate emergencies that are having significant global impact.
But there are still positive changes we can make, and we can start right here in our own county. One of the ways Gloucestershire Wildlife Trust is tackling this is through the creation of nature recovery zones.
It's an ambitious, landscape-scale approach designed to connect wild places, drive nature's recovery, and support wildlife in adapting to climate change. But what is a nature recovery zone? For years, we've cared for many different nature reserves that have become wild islands in the landscape. Yet in order for populations to grow and move around, wildlife needs more space. This means working with our neighbouring landowners and farmers to create much larger wildlife-friendly areas that importantly connect with each other, effectively creating a super reserve.
Here in Gloucestershire, we've made some considerable progress in the creation of 2 nature recovery zones. The first is over in the Severn Vale on the edge of the River Severn, and the second is right here in the glorious Golden Valley.
Stretching from Stroud to Sapperton, the Golden Valley is a wildlife-rich gem that has been shaped by the River Frome and is at the forefront of groundbreaking work to improve habitats for insects. It's here that we've been able to carry out habitat enhancements to increase the resilience of threatened insect populations, improve the woodlands to support a variety of bats, and carry out surveys for the large blue and marsh fritillary butterflies.
And the results are promising. By working in this innovative way alongside our neighbours to help manage the Golden Valley as one, our hope is that nature recovery zones like this will help reverse the declines and offer new ways to connect the landscape for nature and the future.